Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's try this problem right here. Here we have two spaceship, right? Two spaceship, and this spaceship is going with 0.8 c velocity, and this spaceship is going with 0.6 c velocity in the opposite direction, right? And here we have a person observing this one from Earth, and here we have this person observing this spaceship from a spaceship. Now the question is asking, what's going to be the velocity observed by this person on the other spaceship, right? So that's going to be v prime. That's what we are trying to find. V prime is the question. Now in order to solve this problem, we have to use this Lorentz velocity transformation equation. Now if you notice, in order to do this one, we have to know what is v and what is u. U is speed of this person. So, and we know that the speed of this spaceship is 0.8 c. Therefore, the speed of this person also going to be 0.8 c. That is u. And we have to know what is v. V is the velocity that observed by the person from the Earth. So, if this is traveling 0.6 c velocity, the person from the Earth is going to observe the same velocity. So, v is also going to be negative 0.6 c velocity, right? Now we have the v and u. Now we can go ahead and solve this problem. Now let's go ahead and plug the values. So before we do that, it's better to rearrange this one, right? Because we are trying to find v prime, so it's better to rearrange and solve it. So let's go ahead and rearrange. So first we have this one. Now the better way is we can multiply this bottom with this one. So if I bring this bottom part to the other side, that's going to become v times 1 plus v prime u over c square, right? And in the other side we are going to have v prime plus u. Now let's bring all the v prime to one side and the other values to the other side. Now before I do that, let's multiply this v first. So this is going to be v times 1, that's going to be v, and v times this one, that's going to give us v primes vu over c square, and in the other side it's going to remain the same. And let's bring the v prime to one side and others to the other side. So let's continue this one right here. So if I bring v primes to one side, first we have v prime vu over c square is already in this side, and if I bring this v prime to this side, that's going to become minus v prime, and if I bring this v to the other side, that's going to become u minus v, right? Now from this one we can take the v prime common. So if I take the v prime common, this is going to be vu over c square minus 1, and in the other side we are going to have u minus v, right? Now let's bring this one to the other side. So this is going to be v prime is equal to u minus v over vu over c square minus 1, right? So when you see something like that, like when you see something minus 1, it's better to multiply bottom and top by minus 1 and flip it around. In that way it will be much easier, right? So here if I multiply top and bottom by minus 1, that's going to flip this equation. So we are going to finally get this equation, that is v minus u, right? I just flipped this one, and then 1 minus vu over c square, right? vu over c square. So this is going to be our final equation. Now we can go ahead and plug the values. So first we have v value. V value is negative 0.6 c. It's negative 0.6 c minus, then u value is 0.8 c. 0.8 c over 1 minus, and v value again negative 0.6 c times u value, that is 0.8 c, right? And in the bottom we are going to have c square. Now let's continue this one right here. So here we are going to have 0.86 c minus 0.8 c, that's going to give us negative 1.4 c, right? Negative 1.4 c over 1 minus 0.6 times 0.8, that's going to give us negative 0.48, right? And in the bottom c square, and if you multiply these two together, we already have a c square, and this c square cancel with this c square, so let's forget about c square because it's already cancelled. So we are going to have this value only, right? Now it's easy to simplify. This is going to become negative 1.4c over, this is going to become plus, right? Because 1 minus minus, that's going to become plus 1.48, and if you divide you will end up with 0. Actually it's negative because we have a negative on top, so this is going to be negative 0.946c. So the final answer is v prime is equal to negative 0.946c. So this is the velocity that's going to be observed by this person traveling from this spaceship. So this is the velocity that this person observed. So this is going to be the velocity of this one observed by this person, right? And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.